Read the different components from A to D in the list given below and tell the correct order of the components with reference to their arrangement from outer side to inner side in a woody dicot stem. So let's mark these components into the diagram given here. First, let's mark phylum. Because phylum is the outermost layer, it's also known as cork, and it forms a part of periderm and provides protection to the stem. So that means phylum will comes the first in the order. So option B and C are incorrect. Now let's mark the secondary cortex. The secondary cortex is located beneath the cork, that is a phylum, and it serves as supportive tissue and may have some storage function. So this secondary cortex specifically refers to tissue formed outside the vascular cambium, and it is situated between the core cambium and the primary cortex. So we can say that secondary cortex will be coming in the second in the order. Now let's look into the secondary phloem. So secondary phloem is inside the secondary cortex, and the secondary phloem is responsible for transporting nutrients and food throughout the plant. So that means secondary phloem will be coming third in the order. Now finally we have wood, and this is the innermost region consisting of the xylem tissue, and it is responsible for the water and minerals transport and provide structural support. So the last one will be the wood, which makes option D the correct answer, whereas option A is incorrect.